If you love snapping pictures everywhere when you travel, or when you go to the beach, or capturing moments and taking selfies, well, that's very useful because you can turn your photos into money.
Smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless in the only. I can see it in your eyes, 'cause they never tell.
Hello everyone, it's me again, Charlene, and welcome back to my channel. If you are just new here, please consider subscribing and turn on notifications so that you won't miss any of my new uploads. Well guys, for today's video, I will share with you these tips on how to make money by selling your pictures online using just your phone. If you love snapping pictures everywhere when you travel, or when you go to the beach, or capturing moments and taking selfies, well, that's very useful because you can turn your photos into money. You don't need to be a professional photographer to sell your photos online. There are places to sell photos online and make money. You don't need to create your own website because these platforms that I am going to share with you are the best marketplace to upload your creative shots. First is Eyeem. IAmMarket and the Eyeem mobile app is a place for photographers or any individual who are passionate about photography. If you have a creative shots on your smartphone, you can upload it to Eyeem mobile app and make money. When you sell a photo through IAmMarket, you will always receive 50% of the revenue each time your photo sells. Foap. Foap is no stranger to photographers. It is a stock photography website aimed at making you, the photographer, money. The Foap app is a completely legit way to earn some extra cash for your smartphone pictures. This app is super easy to use. You can earn money in 4 ways. Join regular Foap missions, which usually require specific products on your photos. Join premium missions, which you have to unlock Foap coins upon joining. Upload any photos to your profile, and add photos of other users to your album. You can earn $5 to $10 for each of your photo sales, and also for the mission rewards ranges from 100 to 500 per mission. And lastly is Shutterstock. Shutterstock is a leading global provider of high-quality licensed images, and many content creators and amateurs contribute their work to Shutterstock, where end users buy images and use it in their creative, personal, and business works. Shutterstock will initially pay you 25 cents every time one of your images is downloaded with a tied set, and raises to 33 cents and more as you reach the 500 to 10,000 lifetime earning milestone. These 3 websites or mobile apps that I show you guys are the best platforms where you can showcase your talent. It's a very simple job. You just need to upload your creative shots to these websites and start earning. This is one of the best ways to earn a passive income. You can earn money while you sleep or while on vacation. Remember, you can make money while doing what you love.
Oh, I know that you go, my love, I think I'm yours.
Okay, so guys, I hope you got something on this video, and I appreciate it so much. And if you do have any comment, you can comment down below. And thank you very much for watching, and see you on my next uploads. Bye!